Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Playgirl 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Playgirl 2 puzzle was made using two different types of wood, pink oak and Wenge. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 5 pieces inside the frame. And then you have to remove them from the frame. So this puzzle comes unassembled, so you have to figure out the way how to fit parts inside first. This is the second version of similar type of puzzle from Alexander Majoric, where you have not square but triangular voxels. The first version looked like this. It has a name Playboy. And as you can see, the frame has a little bit different opening and the colors of the parts are a little bit different. Here we have the same size frame. You can compare it, it is exactly the same, but we have completely different openings. They are exactly the same on each side. They look bigger, but still it will be quite a challenge to fit all parts inside. Since if you never try to solve a puzzle that has a triangular voxels, that will be a nightmare, since when I was solving the Playboy 1 puzzle, I was very confused with the shape and I felt a little bit dizzy while solving the puzzle. But it took me like 5 to 10 minutes to get used to the shape of the pieces, and then it was not so hard to figure out the solution. Here, as you can see, some parts are quite complicated. Like this piece, for example, or this one, quite a large piece, so you have to find the way how to put them together and then find the way how to fit all these parts inside the frame. So it will be a challenge. Maybe not so difficult, since the difficulty level is 7 out of 10, but it will be a challenge because of the shape of the parts. If you like the Playgirl 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.